Hi, my name is Willie G, and I'll be showing you today how to work the twisted lifted knit increase that's in my Turn-A-Corner Labyrinth collection. Here, on the bottom of these two curves, to get this really nice curve, we have our increase. If we pull the yarn down, you can see the twisted stitch if you look closely. If we lift the yarn up, we can see the knit two together that sets it up. In our sample, we have green for the line color, and our background is in yellow. We're going to work across the row. Here's where we're going to knit these two stitches together, and pay attention to that first stitch that's on the needle. Here you can see it. And as we come to the double wrap stitch, we're going to release the extra wrap and just slip it. Now between these two stitches, we're going to go down and find that knit two together that we worked. And the stitch that sits to the back, we're going to lift onto the left needle and knit into the back leg of that stitch. And that is the completed twisted lifted knit increase. Here you can see it after that row has been completed. We have our increase sitting between the two line color stitches. And that is it. I hope you enjoy knitting your own finger labyrinths.